pwede po bang mag-provide ang Good Share ng mga general details kung paano yung 125 million na iyon ay ginastos, no? Considering yung said amount ay inexpend sa loob ng 11 araw.
Ito po yung kaakibat po nung pag-implement nung safe implementation of the programs, activities, and projects of the Office of the Vice President, from libreng sakay, yung pagbubukas po ng maraming satellite office, yung pagbibigay po ng tulong sa libing, sa paggamot, sa napakarami po. There's so many services that were provided by the OVP, Your Honor.
Ibig sabihin, Mr. President, good sponsor, yung 125 million pinastos sa 11 araw o on average mga 11.3 million a day ay ginamit lahat yan para lang ligtas na maimplementa ang mga libreng sakay o paghahanda para magbukas ng satellite offices o magpalibing, magpagamot, na itong lahat, yung pagsisiguro ng kaligtasan nito, iyan ay umabot sa on average 11.3 million pesos a day, Mr. President?
Yung 11 days, yun po yung period of disbursement ng pera ho. But if you include the period for obligation, it was actually 19 days. And if we look at the services performed or the use of the funds, goes beyond actually the 11, or whether there's 11 days or 19 days.
Sige po, Mr. President, good sponsor. Kahit sabihin natin for the sake of argument, so ginastos yung 125 million sa 19 days. Still, 6.5 million pesos a day iyon.
Your Honor, actually the funds were requested as early as August 2022. But the SARO, or the authority to obligate and disburse the money, was only given in December. So talagang, kumbaga, obligado rin silang gastusin yung pera, Your Honor.
Yes, thank you, Mr. President. Good sponsor. Kung ano man, kung yung SARO na release sa Disyembre, still, kaya yung interest at yung curiosity ng publiko, bakit at paano nakagastos ng ganyang kalaki sa napakaikling panahon lamang.